Right here is the workhorse of all ATV workhorses, the Polaris Sportsman XP1000. I mean, it's 88 horsepower, all the power needed to knock out any hunt or ridiculously heavy task. But with all that power on the ground, you also get phenomenal acceleration. And with all-wheel drive, when maximum traction is needed, all four wheels automatically engage. Bonus is a lock and ride rack capacity of 360 pounds, a towing capacity of 1,500 pounds, and XP1000's active descent control slows those loads and the vehicle by braking and decelerating smoothly while navigating downhill. Dressed in camo for hunters and sporting the smoothest, most responsive electronic power steering available. That's the Polaris Sportsman XP1000. Power, acceleration, a smooth, thoughtful ride, and hard working ability.